Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you few alternatives to Salesforce. Now I'm being interested in the CRM systems and various marketing combined with the CRM systems for a while now, and I made plenty of videos, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let's start. Now the first one, maybe you already know it, is Hubspot. The huge thing about Hubspot that it's mainly free, and let me just show you the pricing plans here, that anyone who wants to test it out, it can test it out for free. Starter, you see the sales, you can just buy now, or you can just simply click get started and learn how to master it. What I really like about Hubspot is they have the educational materials that if you need to learn how to use HubSpot, how to work with the CRM, what are some good ways how you can use email marketing, HubSpot is the way to go, only because the educational content is huge and really good, that plenty of people are satisfied and they are supporting HubSpot because of this, that they teach them all the things. So you can, as you can see, you can get started for free and you can test it out by yourself if you find it useful. So HubSpot is a good way to go. Now, the next one is a Pipedrive. Okay, before we continue, the huge one disadvantage about HubSpot are their middle plans, and they are pretty expensive. So the starter plan for 41 euro to 50 euro, it's pretty good in most sales, CRM, etc. Pretty fine. But professional and enterprise are quite expensive, and that's something that I would use HubSpot if I would be just starting out. But if I already have plenty of leads and I need something really good, I don't know if I would be using HubSpot for this amount of money. Only because, like, let's say for a customer service, for marketing, for sales, you get automations here for 414 euro a month, and you can get it for 50 euro somewhere else a month. So you just have to really analyze if it's worth it, your money, because there's like what? Let's say that I would pay per year. That's 5k in euro. That's like 6.5k in dollars, and it's pretty. That's quite expensive. So let's go further. Now the next one is a Pipedrive. The Pipedrive, the huge thing about Pipedrive, it was made by people who are working in sales. That's like really important. The second thing, it's like extremely easy to use, and if you're looking only for the CRM system, that you want to have leads, that you want to work with your, I don't know, what deals, etc., Pipedrive is a way to go, and I would definitely recommend checking it out. I find it extremely good. Now, the one disadvantage of Pipedrive has is their application, and therefore I wouldn't personally use Pipedrive application mobile, only if you want to use it on your Mac, notebook, or computer. So Pipedrive is a wonderful tool that you can use and that you can check out too. So Pipedrive, good idea. Now the next one that I prepared for you is a Zoho CRM. Zoho got a whole ecosystem of Zoho One, and what does it mean is that you can actually combine all of their tools and use them. So this is a huge thing. So if you're looking for how you can actually start and let's say you have e-commerce store and you want to have leads, you want to have email, you want to have marketing, let's say what even is here, so many tools, CRM. Then we have Zoho One with the finances, with the inventory, with accounting. What you can do is to use Zoho, right? You see right here, finance, email collaboration, sales and marketing, human resources, customer service, IT help desk. So they got a huge team, they got plenty of tools, they are working on each of those tools, and my recommendation would be definitely check it out if you want to use it. And I wouldn't just use only Zoho CRM. I would definitely use the whole Zoho ecosystem, and it will be really useful to you, only because it's really cheap. Comparing to Salesforce, comparing to HubSpot, for Zoho One you pay like up to, let me just show you the pricing. Zoho One pricing, 37 euro. That's quite cheap, right? If you're from the US, that's like $50. So Zoho One is a way to go if you want to connect it with multiple tools. The next one that I prepared for you is Agile CRM. Agile CRM, I made even a tutorial for it. What I like is that you can have like Agile sales, marketing, service for help desk, service automation, live chat, web engagement, social CRM, newsletter, email marketing, and with the sales, with the deals, documents, inbox, mobile, everything. Agile CRM is pretty easy to use and it's not that hard to do, like work with it. So Agile CRM I would definitely check out. If you want to like find out more, just check it out. Then you see here the sales enablement project. Like Agile is good tool, so I would definitely recommend checking it out. The next one that I prepared for you is a Freshworks. Freshworks is again the company which got plenty of tools like a Freshdesk, Freshchat, Freshcaller, Freshworks CRM, Freshservice, Freshteam. And what I really like about Freshworks, I know that it will sound really strange, but when I started making tutorials about Freshworks, the CEO appeared on a screen, on a sofa talking about the company. It felt so good, only because many times what they care most about is that, okay, I need to sell you more, or what kind of strategies I can implement so we're gonna convert to my potential customer. Oh my God, I need to use these kind of words. But it was like the CEO, guy from India, I think, was talking that thank you for using this program. And he wasn't trying to sell anything, that, oh my God, I need to use this to the next 30 minutes to no, just peaceful. And it felt so good that I felt like people made this program, not capitalist robots. And I love capitalism. Oh my God. I think that capitalism right now is not healthy. That we are in a point that capitalism is a wonderful system, but I just don't like it how it is. Like we would need to progressively tax the riches, and only because like they get the bigger market share and they don't need the money, that even they just don't need it, right? And then they don't really pay so much in tax, and they should pay a lot of tax. Like when I'm going to be more richer, I'm working towards it, I want to pay more taxes, because it's not okay that my taxes should help other people, the community, right? So that they weren't that lucky as I am, from perspective that in some way, yes, I know that I'm not lucky, but that I'm smart and I like success. Oh my God, that I just like achieve things that I wanted to achieve. But some people were abused, right? So it's like, or some people didn't have such a good childhood as I did, and I want to help those, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing, there are so many things wrong about it. Like in the moment when you have rise of anxiety and depression in society, and people are not healthy, people are not okay, the system is wrong. Like it can't sustain. And we are so heavily focusing on results. We are so heavily focusing on trying to like achieve higher and higher results, even when our health is suffering, only because we need those numbers. It's not healthy. It's not healthy at all. And you are trying to grow all the time. It's not good. But okay, let's get back to the business. Freshworks, wonderful tool that you can try, and I would recommend definitely check it out. And the last one is a Keep. Keep, many people say that they don't really need it and use it for their business. Maybe you will find it useful, and you will find that it's like worth it for you. But I would definitely recommend like check it out. And it's a good tool. Products, features with the sales, marketing, automation, CRM, sales pipeline, payments, reporting, analytics, appointments, email marketing. So to summarize this whole video, Salesforce alternatives, Hubspot, Pipedrive, Zoho, Agile CRM, Freshworks, Keep. These are really good alternatives that you can use. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.